Hello students, we are back with the second video. Here we need to convert the binary number into a decimal number. There are three simple steps again for this process. First, you need to multiply all the binary digits with the multiples of 2. Then second step, increase the power of 2 one by one, starting from the right hand side. Then in the last step, we have to sum up all the products to get our decimal form. So dear students, here I am having a binary number that I need to convert into the decimal form. So first we have to write the multiples of 2 starting from this right hand side, and then we are going to increase the power of the 2 when we are going from right to left one by one. So let's do it. So here I am writing 2 raised to power 0, and then one by one I am increasing its power. Okay, 2 raised to power 1, then for this 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3, similarly 2 raised to power 4, and at the end 2 raised to power 5. Okay, so first of all we are going to neglect all the numbers which is 0. So I am neglecting first two numbers. Okay, then again I am neglecting these two numbers. Okay, so we just having two digits that we need to multiply. So let's write it. 1 into 2 raised to power 5. Okay, and then 2 zeros, simply we will write 2 zeros. Okay, we don't need to multiply it with any digit. Then again we are having 1 into 2 raised to power 2, and then again we are having 2 zeros, right? So we need to multiply this 2 raised to power 5 with the 1. So that means we will get same number, because we are multiplying any number with the 1, the result is that same number. So let's write it. 2 raised to power 5 plus 0. Either we will write 0 or we will skip it, doesn't matter, because whenever we are going to add the 0 in any number, then that number will not change at all. So I am skipping this zeros. Okay, so here I am writing 2 raised to power 2. So this two numbers only we need to solve now. 2 raised to power 2 means 4, as you all know, right? So I had write 2 raised to power 2 and 2 raised to power 5. So 2 raised to power 2 is 4. Why so? Because 2 into 2 is 4, right? Similarly, we are going to find out the number 2 raised to power 5. Many of you are going to write it 10. 2 into 5 is 10. No, this is the point where you are going to do the mistake. Okay, so how you need to find out this? 2 into 2 is 4. Then we need to multiply it again. 4 into 2 is 8. Again multiply this. 8 into 2 is 16. So again multiply. 16 into 2 is 32. So that means 2 raised to power 5 is 32, not 10. How it comes 32? Because we had multiplied 2 5 times. See, the first one, second one, third, fourth and 5. So when we are going to multiply it 5 times, then we will get this number 32. Okay, so let's add it. 36. This is our answer, and this number is in decimal form. Okay, is it clear now, this process? So in this way you can also convert any of the binary number into the decimal numbers. Thank you.